Hello and welcome to the Santa Monica College Veterans Resource Center. My name is Martha Romanum. I am one of the team members at the Veterans Center. I wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you both to Santa Monica College and to our veteran community. Santa Monica College has a lot of resources and services. Please take advantage of these services and resources available to you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask one of us at the center. I also wanted to take this opportunity to let you know that I've been at Santa Monica College for 31 years. Yes, a while. So I know a little bit about the campus and I am happy to share that information with you. Also, I am married to a Marine Corps veteran who also works at Santa Monica College. And together the both of us try to advise the Student Veterans of America chapter at Santa Monica College. Please come check out one of our meetings where you'll meet other veterans and other students, and hopefully you'll make friends. We host guest lectures and different activities on campus and off campus. So please come check us out. Also come check out the Veterans Resource Center. Thank you.